I just want to play this sound clip for you, and I want you to check it out because I think it's really, really badass. If you want an exhaust system like this and you want AWE to build it, I need your emails. So email me at patriotmotorsportsusa@gmail.com. That's patriotmotorsportsusa@gmail.com. And tell me what your combination is, what your car is. And we'll get AWE to build this exhaust system for us because it sounds amazing. I'm telling you, the sound clips don't do it any justice at all. It's truly the most badass sound. It's super quiet when you're cruising, and there's no noise, no resonance, no drone inside the car. But when she opens up, oh my God, it's amazing. So I got to get your emails. I got to get your support so we can get this done. I put the money behind it to test the system out. I want you guys to help me out so that we can get this system and get it at an affordable cost with a true MPB valve setup that is a full 3-inch inside diameter. That's a full 3-inch, full flow with all the sound and then none of the noise. See you guys soon. So we're from inside the car right now, still in sport mode, and that's what she sounds like from the inside. Absolutely the most amazing sound. It's a giggle factor times 10. We 10x this exhaust system for damn sure. Then go back to cruising 60, 65. Nice and quiet, no drone.